Alright guys, so let's start the example 2. So the example 2 said, how many molecules are present in 10 gram of nitrogen gas? So this is nitrogen gas N2. So the first question says, find the molar mass of N2, the molar mass of nitrogen gas. 2 said, calculate the numbers of moles of N2, the nitrogen gas. So question 3 said, use Avogadro's number to find the numbers of molecules. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the calculation. So solution first. In this question, you need to understand something. They said, how many molecules are present in 10 grams of nitrogen gas? So first thing first, we are going to list out the given parameters, the given values, which is equals to, we are given 10 gram here, which you know that is mass. So mass is 10 gram. The mass is 10 gram. The mass is 10 gram. So now let's start the calculation first. So we are going to find first number one. Find the molar mass of nitrogen gas. So to find the molar mass of nitrogen gas first, you need to know the atomic mass of nitrogen. The atomic mass of nitrogen. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 gram per mole. That's the atomic mass of nitrogen. So when they said nitrogen gas, at least you can see here N2. So you need to understand that this is diabetic. So you multiply these two by the atomic mass. So to get the molar mass of N2, will be equals to the atomic mass 14 times 2, this 2, and it should be equals to 14 times 2 is 28, so it will be 28 gram per mole. That is the molar mass of nitrogen gas. So we are done with the calculation on the molar mass. So we are to find the number 2. So the number 2 says calculate the numbers of moles. So the numbers of moles will be equals to, if you have watched the first video, you know the formula for finding the numbers of moles. So the numbers of moles, N will be equals to mass of the substance, over the molar mass. Which, okay, the mass of the substance is in gram, always remember that, and the molar mass is in gram per mole. So now let's check for the numbers of moles. So N will be equals to mass of the substance. If you check here, the mass of the substance present in the nitrogen gas is 10 gram. So the mass of the substance is 10 gram. All over the molar mass, we have just calculated the molar mass. The molar mass is 28 gram per mole. So N will be equals to, the numbers of mole will be equals to, first thing, the gram will cancel out the gram, and we have 10 divided by 28. If you use your calculator, you find out that the answer will be 0.357 moles. So the answer, the numbers of moles will be 0.357 moles. So we have to calculate the final question, which is the number 3. And the number 3 question says, use Avogadro's number to find the numbers of molecules. So first thing you need to understand that when you add the word molecules is different from moles. So you need to know the formula you will use in calculating the numbers of molecules and the numbers of moles. So first thing first, you need to understand that whenever you hear somebody saying numbers of molecules, first thing that will come to your mind is that for calculating numbers of molecules, you need to use the Avogadro's number. This Avogadro's number is a constant. In any calculation you are doing on numbers of moles, this Avogadro's number is a constant, and the number can be written like this. So the Avogadro's number is equals to 6.022 times 10 raised to power 3. That is the Avogadro's number. So to calculate for the numbers of molecules, the equation is numbers of moles times Avogadro's number, which is equals to, the numbers of moles that we have just calculated is 0.357. So times the Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23. So if you use your calculator to check that, 0.357 times 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23, this is what you get. This is your answer. So the answer will be 2.14985.4 times 10 raised to power 23. The number is much, right? It's much, so we can't leave the answer to be that. We have to approximate. So to do the approximation, you will check from here to here is 5, then from here to here it should be 2.1 or 2.2. So we can't use 2.2 because it's not up to rounding figure. So we leave the answer to be 2 times 10 raised to power 3. That is the final answer. So you need to, if you don't understand any step in this calculation, from the finding of molar mass of nitrogen gas to calculate the numbers of moles, using Avogadro's number to find the numbers of molecules, any way you don't understand, do well to drop the question on the comment section. Please, if you are just watching this video for the first time, subscribe, like this video, share to your friends, click the notification bell so that anytime I'm going to drop a new calculation on mode concept, because I'm going to drop a lot of them, and I'm dropping it in the simple way that everybody look into it and understand. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe anywhere that they are watching this video. Thank you very much.